Hi, this is Holly Olson, and this is my Enhancement 7. I will start out by showing you my validation, my HTML checker validator for my update admin page. As we go down, there's lots of errors, but they are all PHP. And I have found that HTML does not seem to like PHP because, yes, there are different things here, but they are in the PHP code block. It doesn't like the PHP code block being in an input, and it gives me suggestions of what I could put there. So there are quite a few errors on here because there's 5 different form fields for 5 different PHP items. But the errors aren't HTML, it just doesn't like the PHP. Okay, now we'll go here to my local host, and as you can see I have 2 clients, but I am going to come in and I am going to create an account. And I will register, and I'll submit it. Oops! Okay, here we are. This is the admin page, and as you can see, I click here, and it takes me in to update my account. And as you can see, it has everything in there already, or to change my password. And I'm going to change my password, and we'll push change, and it tells me that that worked fine. So we'll go to log out, and we'll log back in with that new password. Just a second, Okay, here we are again. We'll click here, and this time we'll change my first name to Lolly and my last name to Pop. But we will keep the email address the same. I'll push update a client, and I will log out, and then I will log back in. As you can see, it's got me as Lollipop here. And if we go into the database and refresh, it's got Lollipop here also. I had been struggling a lot with my password and the database reading the information. But thanks to Christina and Aaron and Kenneth, I was able to get that taken care of. So they're wonderful friends in this class. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. Just for fun, I'm going to add someone else, and we'll see what happens, just because I want to. Okay, we're going to log out. My account. Create an account. First name, Crazy. Glue. Whoops. Glue. Email address is sticky@test.com. My password will be the happy 135 smile. We'll register. I know what I wanted to do. Sorry. We'll worry about that in a minute, some other time. I want to show you what you see with my admin page. So we log in, and because admin user is a level 3 client administrator, they are able to click on the products and add or modify or delete categories. And let's say sour milk, we want to delete that. And that is gone. And I will show you in here in inventory. Let's look. Yep, no sour milk. So that was good. And then we can modify the Acme Rocket. I changed the price to $4,000, but let's change it back to $3,000. Update product. It was updated, and we will go and look at that really quickly. That's an inventory. Acme Rocket. And here it is back at $3,000. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was pretty fun.